Finding working coupons for Amazon. Today we are going to talk about how to find working discount codes for Amazon. For this purpose, go to Google and search for coupon follow. Now, in the results section, click on the first link that you can see in this video. After clicking on this link, you will be able to see their home page. Now in the search bar, search for Amazon. After searching, you will be able to see Amazon as option. Now click on Amazon and you will be able to see all the codes available. Now click on any code. For example, I'm clicking on the code that says $50 off. Now from here, click on the bar that says show coupon code, and that's how you will be able to see Amazon promo codes. That's all. Thanks for watching.